Hi guys, this is Harshit, and in this video I'm going to solve some problems related to work, power and energy, which is a concept of physics. You'll get that in intermediate first year. And now presently what you're watching is MTG. It has a collection of 18 years previous JEE mains question papers. So you have physics over here and chemistry as well as mathematics. Including the 18 years, you are also going to get an additional of 10 years AEEE question papers. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the contents page. Here I think it may not be visible. Yeah, it is good right now. So work, power, energy, it's page number 28. Let's check it out. So this is the chapter guys. In this chapter, and you're watching the first question of this, which is January 2019. So it's the question from the first shift of January session. So let's get started. Let us read the question once. Three blocks A, B, C are lying on a smooth horizontal surface as shown in the figure. A, B have equal masses m, while C has mass m. A is given an initial velocity v towards B, due to which A collides with B perfectly inelastically. The combined masses collides with C also perfectly inelastically. 5/6 of initial kinetic energy is lost in the whole process. What is the value of capital M by small m? So we should find here the value of capital M by small m. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write down the contents that are given in the question exactly. There. So this is the first mass, this is the second mass, and this is our third mass. They are actually lying on a table, smooth table probably. M, M and capital M. They are A, B and C. Here A is given an initial velocity v, due to which A collides with B. So from law of conservation of momentum, m1 u1 plus m2 u2 gives rise to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. m1 is mass of A and whose initial velocity is v. m2 is mass of B whose initial velocity is 0 because it is at rest, and it is given that they become perfectly inelastically, they collide, so they add up their masses, m plus m into v. Let me consider it as v dash. What you're watching, v dash, is the combined velocity of both the masses, so m into v equals 2m into v dash. M gets cancelled, v dash is equal to v by 2. And now these combined masses A plus B collides with C, that is 2m collides with m. And now again applying the same law of conservation of linear momentum, that is 2m into v dash plus capital M into 0 because C is at rest equals 2m plus capital M into v double dash. By substituting the value of v dash from the expression, let's consider it 1. 2m into v by 2 plus 0 equals 2m plus capital M into v double dash. 2 gets cancelled, so m into v by 2m plus capital M is equal to v double dash. So this is the velocity of combined system A plus B plus C. This is the velocity, and now it is given that 5 by 6th of initial kinetic energy is lost. In the whole process. And that implies 1 by 6th energy remains. So again, half m, this time the whole mass of the system, 2m plus m, half m into v square. V is nothing but v double dash, so m square v square by 2m plus capital M whole square equals half m v square into 1 by 6. As you can notice that the terms gets cancelled on here. Sorry for the disturbance. So half m square v square by 2m plus capital M equals half m v square into 1 by 6. So v square will be cancelled, m will be cancelled, and 2 gets cancelled on both sides. So if I multiply, 6m is equal to 2m plus capital M. 6m minus 2m, 4m is equal to capital M. So capital M by small m is equal to 4. This is going to be your answer.